Hi, I'm Leo Ryan,
And I'm Dan.
and we're about to do an unboxing of a Firefly guitar purchased on Amazon. Stay with us. Let's see what this thing can do.
Okay, here we go. We're gonna unbox this Firefly 335 copy, and it's in a cardboard box. Kind of the way, standard way it would arrive. That was a pick there. So let's see what we got. Always practice knife safety, folks. Especially if you're a guitarist, you don't want to have a sharp object around your fingers. So here we have another very nice cardboard box. But this one is not taped shut, so get that out of the way. And we have some foam padding. That'll buy some rubber bands. We have a pretty nice fabric cord and some picks in here, and a sign that identifies the table. Whenever you're taking something that is kind of delicate out, you need to make sure that it's not bound up too bad. Take your time, don't get it scratched at the very last second, and all that kind of stuff. This thing's pretty heavy, I'll tell you that much. Not that easy to hold with one hand for a while. It goes. Okay, so it's got a little dust on it from the packing. It's got some plastic covering on the knobs, it looks like, and on the pickups. Pick guard's securely attached, which that's not always the case. Nice static electricity there. It's got a nice tailpiece and a Kinematic Bridge. The back is just black, but it does have the binding around the bottom edge and the top edge. You know, for a guitar that's not very expensive, these are some nice details. It's got binding around the neck. The finish on the frets is pretty good from what I can feel, you know, just initially. It's got a three-way switch. It says rhythm, nothing in treble. Those are kind of arbitrary distinctions, but I guess they'll help you to remember where the switch is. Our little sticker up here we're going to get rid of. I guess I should have read it. Hopefully it'll be readable after I get it out. No, it won't. Said something. I'm not exactly sure what the point of that was. A lot of effort for not much gain. Okay. The F-holes are bound, which over time that prevents cracking and wear. So that's a nice detail, assuming that the binding lasts. This guitar costs what, less than 125 bucks?
139.
$139, so less than $150.
Shipped.
Shipped. I'm going to go ahead and take this film off of the pickups. Probably won't help the performance of the pickups at all. I have it on. Because the strings are on, this is not as easy as it could be. I have to move the strings out of the way one at a time.
Supposed to be strung with the Dario strings also.
The last thing you want to do is have pieces of the film stuck on the pickups, you know, because you didn't pull it off right. So don't want to curl it around there to catch. Here we go. That's one.
Well, we'll take care of this and we'll get back to you in a minute.